Let's make super easy, delectable 2 minutes microwave recipe, chocolate brownie. Hello guys, welcome to Foodland. The chocolate brownies can be a great kids after school snack or can be turned into dessert with some vanilla ice cream while it's nice and hot. Look at this. Yummy! For this decadent chocolate brownie, you need 9 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, about 2 ounces of dark chocolate and milk chocolate, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of sugar, room temperature milk, and pinch of salt. Alright, so let's get the butter and chocolate melted in microwave for about 30 seconds. Alright, so let's give that a good mix. Time to add sugar and stir it well. Let's add about 3 tablespoons of room temperature milk. Time to add pinch of salt, all-purpose flour. Mix it really well. Alright, I'm going to add a couple more tablespoons of milk because we need a pouring consistency. Alright, so this is my glass container and I've added parchment paper. And this is the mixture. I'm going to pour this mixture into the glass container and microwave it for about 1 minute. And who doesn't want the extra layer of chocolate on top, right? Look at this beautiful microwave brownie is almost ready. Let's microwave it for first 1 minute and check it out. And after another minute in microwave, so about 2 minutes in microwave, look at this beautiful chocolate brownie ready. Let it cool for 15 minutes and then we will cut it. Yay! There you go. Ooh. Look at this beautiful, yummy, decadent chocolate brownie made in microwave just in 2 minutes. Wasn't it quick and easy and yet so delectable? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And if you like this recipe, check out the rest of my recipes and hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye for now.